Hey guys, welcome to Tech Chef. I'm TJ and today I will be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy S9. This unit has 64 gigs of internal storage. Here is a look at the packaging and its specs. You can pause and read it. Let's get this opened. The packaging at this point is very familiar as previous Galaxy devices. First up, we have the SIM card tray tool, an information booklet. They were kind enough to include a clear case for the phone. Here is the phone itself in the black colorway. The rest of the items in the box include a USB connector, micro USB to USB-C converter, a fast travel charger, USB cable, and AKG earbuds with interchangeable earbud sizes. Let's take a closer look at the phone. First off, it has a good size. It's easy to grip. The buttons are nice and clicky with a good amount of feedback. On the right, you have the power button. On the left, you have the volume and a dedicated button to Bixby, which is Samsung's own virtual assistant. On the top front of the phone, you have the various sensors and the front camera. On the top of the phone, you have the SIM card tray. On the bottom, you have the speaker, headphone jack, mic and USB port. On the back, you have the rear camera, flash, heart rate sensor and fingerprint sensor. Guys, thanks for watching and I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button so you will be notified when I release new content. And let me know in the comments below, what feature convinced you to choose this phone over the others?